Guys, welcome to another video. It's me, Mercy, your girl. I don't know why I'm over sweating today. I hope I'm okay. Let me just take. Oh, I've been taking some green tea. I'm into taking lots of fruits to support my skin. Of recent, I had lots and lots of acne breakouts, and I couldn't tell why. So I've been making some changes in my diet, in all the kinds of things that I eat, and also increase on my drinking, because I know hydrating also helps with acne, because now I'm on products that are helping me to clear up my acne, but I also know that these products can dry the skin so much, so I need to hydrate. I hope it all goes well. Welcome to another video. My name is Marcelina, and in today's video we shall be sharing how to maintain our hair when it is in a protective hairstyle. But before we go any further, today I'm dressed to kill. Look at this cape. This cape was proudly donated to me by Abacus Pharmaceuticals. Abacus Pharmaceuticals has a brand which is called Abacus eCare. They sell lots and variety of eye drops that serve all your eye care needs. So if you have a medical center, you have a hospital, you're planning for an eye camp, or you just want to donate some eye medicines, you can link up with Abacus Pharmaceuticals. They have branches all over the country. In Uganda, even if you're out of Uganda and you want to support our eye care system, Abacus is the way to go. So let's put away the cape and let's look at our hair. This hair of mine has been on for 1 week or so. Let me remember, is it 1 week? No, it is 2 weeks now. But this is how I manage to moisturize hair when it's a protective hairstyle. I just use 3 ingredients. One is my shea butter, my oil, and water. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice, but I'm not a product junkie. And because this is just refreshing my hair, it is a daily evening routine that I do to my hair after a long day of work, walking under the sunshine, and the hair really feels dry. So I put in there some water to restore moisture to my hair, some oil, and then seal in with my natural shea butter. This shea butter is made from our local shea nuts. If you come from up country, northern side, and a bit of the Teso region, that is Katakuya Muria. I think you might be well conversant with this natural shea butter. And then my brothers and sisters in northern Uganda, you have a lot of shea butter. This is very good for the skin, and it's also very good for hair as well. So we are going to see how we apply these three ingredients to maintain healthy, bouncy, soft, natural hair. But before we go any further, allow me to take a sip of my green tea. If you want to grow your hair, you have to drink a lot. Green tea is very good for your health as well as your hair. My friends, this week I've been reading through this book. This book, the title is How to Mint Money. It is written by Godfrey Jumba. He is a Ugandan author. And this book is an amazing book to me in such a way that if you're somebody who is looking out for business ideas to do, this is a book that you can read. It has lots of business ideas inside there. Some of the business ideas in this book include bread and biscuit making, and he shares, by the way, even some recipes. He shares some recipes of these products. So we have recipes for making hard biscuits, recipes for making soft biscuits, brick manufacture, we have jewelry making, safety box, safety matches. Oh, how like the safety boxes. Obiriti, eh? I don't know if my Luganda is good enough. Shoe polish making, baking of cakes, and then what else? Poultry business, keeping chicken, turkey, duck business, and the different types of chicken, the layers, the broilers, the what he shares, and very, very, very many other business ideas. So if you're looking out for business ideas to do, read this book. This book is very good for you to read. So now, let me open up my hair and show you how you can also keep your hair while at home if your hair is in a protective hairstyle. This is just a band that I use for tying my hair. So this is my natural hair. It is in twists. It's really hot right now. The season is really hot. So my hair dries out so fast. I move a lot under sunshine because I go out to work in the communities. I move in villages. So I'm always exposed to the sunshine. And when I come back, I feel like my hair needs to be shown some love. So let's dig right in and spray our hair with some water. But if you prefer, if you don't mind putting a leave-in conditioner, you can do it as well. But because I do this daily, I prefer using just water because I don't want to leave my hair with a lot of product. It will be so heavy for it. So I'm going to spray in some water. Keen concern on my tips because it's the tips which are the oldest parts of the hair and they can easily break. If they dry up, they become brittle and they can break off. So I put in some water in the scalp as well because even the scalp can feel dry and it needs to be shown some love. So guys, we've spread in some water. I'm just squeezing my hair to make sure that it takes in all this goodness. So I am done with this. Today I'm using Amla. If you've always watched my videos, I do lots of DIY. But today I'm using Amla to strengthen my hair. Your hair is just like any other any other thing that needs to feed on different kinds of food. You don't have to use a specific thing over and over again, especially the oils. You can change around your oils as long as they don't interfere with your hair, because the different oils do different purposes for the hair. So I'm just applying a light amount of oil on my hair, concentrating more on the tips of my hair. And also remember to massage the scalp. It's good to massage the scalp because it stimulates blood supply to your hair follicles, and this promotes your hair growth as well. So one thing that I've learned with natural hair is not very difficult to take care of as people always think. As long as you have a working routine for conditioning your hair, especially deep conditioning, you are good to go. I deep condition my hair every after 2 weeks now because of the kind of work that I do. I used to deep condition every after 1 week, but of recent I'm a bit on a tight schedule, so I do deep condition my hair every after 2 weeks. So probably over the weekend of this over next weekend, I'll be deep conditioning my hair. Today, I couldn't do it. I wanted to deep condition, but I couldn't do it because I came back a little bit late from church and we lost a friend of ours. And burial is, I think, tomorrow. Yeah. So I did not have the time to really do that deep conditioning. I've been up and down, and also the children at home for independence. So I'm a bit having a lot of running in the house. I have lots of things to be doing, especially keeping up with the number of children in the house who have come for this a short weekend. So I think next weekend I will have enough time to deep condition the hair, and I will surely make for you a video, because my rule is if you're not ready or if you don't have time for your hair, don't tamper. Don't tamper. You need to take your time to detangle, to deep condition, to do all the kind of good things that you need to show your hair. So basically, that is it. If you deep condition your hair well, if you use the right tools for combing your hair, or even just use your fingers to detangle your hair, and then maybe comb once in a while, you're good to go. Use the right products. Know the right products for your hair. Know the type of hair that you have and the right products, guys. If by now you're a natural person and you don't know your hair porosity, please take time and learn about hair porosity. It will help you a lot to handle your hair. I didn't know about that before, but when I learned it, I enjoy my natural hair. You see, these are just my natural twists, and every time I handle them, I don't feel like they bother me a lot. I feel it's very easy to do so. So I am now going to, hi, my hands are now slippery. I've put in oil. I can't open this. I hope I manage. Let me give it a try. Wow. So guys, I'm now going to apply my shea butter. My shea butter is a bit, it has melted. It's hot. I told you it's a hot season right now in Uganda. It's hot. So expect this. However, there are days when it solidifies and it sticks. This is going to take me for a year. and finish. Because I put a little bit. I just need a little bit of it. But sometimes I also add it in my deep conditioner and it does me well. So we are going to apply our shea butter. The shea butter goes on the hair direct, not on the scalp. So I'm just applying this on my hair, taking more care on my tips. Let me add a little bit on the tips. Okay. So guys, that is it. Let me cover this up. I finished to do that. And now I'm just going to hold my hair and tie my little puff. This is my little puff. And my hair, by the way, is very, very soft right now. It is very soft. It just looks like that soft kinky. If you know what soft kinky is, it just looks like soft kinky. Yeah. Guys, it's really very hot. I don't know why I'm sweating. You can see. It is hot. So let me tie my hair. Okay. Okay. Wow. That is it. I'm now good to go. I have now tied my hair and I can decide to put back our cape. And ta-da! We are done. So let me know how you felt about this video. Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'm back on full swing. I've not been uploading videos of recent because I had some challenges. One, my son fell sick. I've been up and down with him. I think they told me he has, when babies are starting to grow their teeth, they struggle a lot, they run fevers, they get a little bit of diarrhea. You can't just understand what's going on. Babies are babies. So I've been up and down with him. Then after him battling around, his teeth came out and he got again measles attack. It was serious. So I've been up and down. I could not really have the time to sit down and make videos because he was uncomfortable. He was crying. But I'm proudly and very happy to inform you that that's all gone. So we shall be enjoying more of our hair care videos, how we can take care of our natural hair at home. So guys, thank you so much for today. See you in my next video.